The whole world is mourning the passing away of Pope Francis because he has touched millions of lives by his simplicity, his poverty, and his compassion, very especially to those on the edge of society. When he died, it seems that he left less than $100. He was a poor pope who chose to be poor. He chose to live in a simple guest house rather than the luxurious Vatican residence. He was the first pope from outside Europe. He was born in Argentina of migrant parents, and he first joined the Jesuits and became the provincial in Argentina. He then was raised to be a bishop and archbishop. Pope Paul VI consecrated him cardinal, and when Pope Benedict XVI resigned, he was elected pope. At that time, he took the name of Francis in order to follow his patron saint Francis of Assisi. And he lived to this day as a poor pope. All he had was mercy and love for the poor. That was his investment. He not only touched the lives of many Catholics around the world, but also those outside the church, the Muslims and many others. During his tenure, he reached out to many countries, also poor countries like Bangladesh and many others. And people were hailing him as their pope. Also during the Maundy Thursday foot washing ceremony, he broke the tradition and went out to prisons to wash the feet of the prisoners, including women. And they were touched so much that they wept with joy and with tears. He was the Pope of mercy and synodality, a word which we had not heard before, which included all categories of people and giving them due respect. Pope Francis also went to the Muslim world, where he was much appreciated and was given highest honors. Pope Francis will always be remembered as a smiling pope who touched the hearts of millions of people for the way he inspired them, for the way he lived his life. May the Lord reward him for all that he has done.